Oh, hi guys and girls, Emma again. Welcome back to the spare room. Wanted to do a little video on a dozen or so topics tonight, but I'm only going to cover a couple. Today was Tip Blitz 19. Check out that hashtag if you haven't already. If you're living under a rock somewhere and you haven't seen any of those videos, you probably should. So, great YouTube event, really awesome thing. I've been asked a dozen times whether it's happening again next year. I got no idea. It was a headache to organise. It really was, and I fought with the system and with YouTube and with 1,000, felt like 1,000 creators as well. But it come off and it works. So check out the videos. I've dropped a hashtag down the bottom in the description box. So check out the videos by clicking the hashtag at some point when you're getting sick of this video. Now, in the middle of all this, I picked out some awesome subscribers, and that's great. I don't know you all yet, so I imagine that you're awesome. If you're not, well, you soon will be. But a long time ago, Marcel Herbert, Marcel's workshop, I'll put a link to him in a card up here in the corner. He designed this little circuit as a live Wi-Fi subscriber counter, a subscription counter for YouTube. I've made the case and a few other things, but this is just an 8-digit 7-segment readout and a little Wi-Fi board. I don't know much about this. I got it to work, and Marcel will attest that it took a bit of getting to work because I'm not real good with these sort of things. Programmable logic is not the thing I'm good at. But it does work, and it's on the right count. You just see that went up then, which is pretty awesome. Whether I'm going to put a buzzer in this or not, I'm really not sure. I probably will at some point. It might be a really cool thing to do. And I've left room in here for that. So, actually made about 3 of these, as I usually do when I do anything electronic, because they blow components up, etc, etc, etc. And finally got it programmed and working. If we unplug it and stop it, you see it fires up there and comes across with a hello message. And then it connects to the Wi-Fi and to YouTube, and it'll give us a live count number. So that's pretty cool. This is just a crappy 3D print, really. It's 3D printing, and I don't really mix either. This video is all about things I can't do. You see that's lifted there on the corner pretty seriously. You can give me 1,000 explanations of why this happens, but reality is that my print is incapable of fixing it. I've tried a new bed. I haven't got a heated bed. Probably that might fix it. Temperature control and a cabinet might fix it. A new printer might fix it. Tossing it in the rubbish and not thinking about trying to print things or spend a lot of money on 3D printing would probably fix it. Maybe it's just the limitations of 3D printer and I've got to get used to it. I really don't like showing you things on this channel that aren't quite perfect, and this is one of them. This is just a piece of copper I folded up. It's a fairly straightforward job to make the box. And this is 3D printed. And I managed that okay, and I just sprayed it with black and polished the top off a bit. So that's nice and easy to read on camera, I hope. And that's just a nice neat fit over there. Cut the middle out with the nibbler. And that's jumped another one there too, so that's pretty exciting. It's still going up, and I thank you guys for that. But go and check out Marcel's channel and his video on this. I'll put a link to it. It's a pretty cool thing. I'm going to put it on the wall over here for live feeds. This isn't live, so if you click on the subscribe button now, you won't see it go up, but you'll certainly be included in the number next time you see it on camera. All in all, it's turned out pretty good, really, for some crappy 3D prints and some electronic stuff that I'm not very good at. And I'm really quite pleased with it. It does need a USB cable and a PowerPoint jack, and I'm going to have to find a longer cable, I think, because the one I've got isn't long enough to put it up on the wall here. But apart from that, it's finished. And that's another project out of the way that I've been promising myself that I was going to do basically months and months and months ago. So happy about that. Anyway, welcome. There will be a 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I've worked out what it is, but it happened a lot quicker than I was sort of expecting. I've been pushing there slowly, and then in the last 24 hours it's well over now. So that's an awesome thing. Tipblitz to me was an outstanding success. Drop me an email. I'll put my email address down there. Drop me an email if you want to be included next year. Can't promise that I'll get everyone, but I might put you in some sort of a spreadsheet as you come in, and we'll try and make it next time. So in the meantime, go and check out some Tipblitz videos. Lots of other cool content on YouTube. Find a community. That's what it's all about. Find your community, and if this is it and you think you've come home, well, welcome everybody. And I really appreciate you being here. That's it from me. Not much else to say except click the subscribe button. Watch this count up again. And the notification bell if you're that way inclined. I do have a live stream on Wednesday nights here in Australia, just about every night it seems to be a regular thing. And we have a look at what we're doing in the video and just a chat. That's a pretty good place for community if you need to connect with someone. And we're all social animals. And if you can do that from your own lounge room, that's even better. Anything left to say is be kind to each other, and more soon, guys and girls.